Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, peace videos. And if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So it is Wednesday and I decided I wanted to give my mom a spa day since my students are doing tests and I don't have to be like face to face. I said, like, you know, let's give her a spa day today. As my promise her from about Christmas time. And 2 more things that she said she want for this spa day. We just decided to make a video. Yeah, so we're going to prepare for her like right now. So she want to head to tour business. So I'm going to be doing massaging her hair. Then I'm going to be giving her a face mask. And then moisturizing her face. Then we're going to do her fingers and hands. Then we're going to do her feet. We're gonna gather the things. I already started, so I'm just starting the vlog so I can do the rest. So we have the face mask that I'm gonna be using. This is the EGF Essence mask, and I'm gonna be using that. Plus, I'm going to be moisturizing our skin with this Cetaphil Daily Oil Free Hydrating Lotion. And then we come up here to look for the hand and toe stuff. So we're going to just bring this down to wherever I'm going to be working. Don't know where, but let's bring it close by. I think I'm gonna work around somewhere here, like have around the chair or something. But I don't know it. But yes, that's the nail polishes. We have this buffer. I need one of these things. About 2 of these things. Which one? I need one. I need one of these, you know, people. Like I really need one of these. So this, and this has my nail clipper and stuff in it. So that is that, and then we got those, and we got those. That's for hands and toes. Oh yes, for the hair, people, we're going to put some of this Marabelle Protective Style Growth Oil. As I said, this is for my daughter. So yeah, we're going to use that in her hair. What else, people? What else? I don't even know. Wait, so go and get the spa thingy, the foot spa foolishness. What am I bad at me about? Can't tell why they must stress me. I don't know. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna lotion her hands as well with some of my nice Bath and Body Works lotion. guys, so we're finished with mommy's thing. Her feet and her hands are cute. What was it on them, Mama? I can't see them because she too love clear nail polish. But anyways, how are you feeling after your spa?
I'm feeling great.
Great. You're getting this next year again.
My face is so cool. I want it before next year.
No. Too much work. Next year again. Bye.
Okay.
Say bye. Tell them to subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yay.
Please.
Thank you.
Thumbs up.